Here's how you can activate caller name announcement on Android phone. So doing this requires just few easy steps to follow and you'll be easily able to do this. First, click the dial pad icon on your mobile phone. Now, click three-dotted icon in the top right of your mobile phone. Now, click settings. Here, you will see these options appearing. You'll have to simply click on the option that says answering and ending calls. Answering and ending calls. Click on this option and it will show up this page. Here, you're going to simply toggle the switch on that says read caller names aloud. Turn the switch on and it will instantly activate the caller name announcement on your phone. Now, make sure you click this button and it will show you this page where you choose always, not just over Bluetooth and headphones. Make sure you choose always and you can also choose to read caller names twice if you turn this toggle switch on. Also, this setting might be different for other phone brands, but it is usually caller ID announcement settings. You'll have to just search for this option and you'll be easily able to do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.